Your week one DPE, your digital portfolio entry. This is where you turn in work all year long, and you're going to have a series of projects on Behance that are entitled Week 01, Week 02, no DPE, just that'll confuse people. Week 01, 02, 03, all the way out to 38. Pretty simple, huh? So the first one you make on your Behance account, you have to have completed, you have to have signed up for Behance, and most of you should. If you haven't, go back to the weekly required quests and work your way down, because you cannot accomplish this without having signed up for Behance. All right, so I don't want you to watch the whole video. I want you to stop this when necessary so you can work along with the steps, because there's two very serious things that I want you to achieve. Now I'm going to click this link so we can get out here to Behance, and so long as you've signed up for an account, you've got a little icon here. And it's probably generic. It probably doesn't have any picture. Don't worry about that. But when you roll over it, it should have your information like you see there. Just click on it and it takes you to your home page, your Behance page. This link, look at that, copy it, right? You copy this thing and then go back to the Mac Lab, edit your profile and paste that where it says website. Do that. Do it. Because in my clipboard, your name becomes a link to your Behance page. Do that. Do that right now. All right. Once you've done that, then click on Create a Project. You're taken to this page where you have these, and these are exactly the same. If you notice the words, there's an FAQ, a frequently asked questions. I want you to work your way through this. As for uploading files, I have not had you create any files yet. I want you to use one file in particular. Back here on the Mac Lab, I'm going to click on the grading link. This is the file I want you to use. Grading, I want you to use the grip-based rubric. And the reason I want you to use it is back on Behance, so you're going to download that file and upload it. I want you to write about how grades are assigned, what it takes to maintain an A, what I'm asking you to do, and listen, and the idea that if you're not learning from and correcting your mistakes, your grade will continue to drop. This is that AOFU stuff, and I want you to document your understanding of the grading policies in this class so you know what's expected from this point forward. That's it. I don't need anything else from you. You can add other thoughts if you want, but I want those things in a project you will name Week Space 01, capitalizing the W. Take some pride in this. So downloading this file, how do I do that? You've all downloaded files. Hey, look, right click. What can you do? You can save it to download. You can save it as. You can go through. You can do it. Don't add it to photos, because then you got to go through another step. But I want you guys to do that and upload it. So you figure out how to do it. If you have to work with other people in the room, do that. Help each other. I am not going to help you do this unless there's some great glitch, and then I'll write the answer on the board. So you work through this. Your cover is going to be the rubric, and your settings is where you're going to set the title of your project, right? Okay, so you are going to go ahead and do this, and then you're going to, oh, geez, then you're going to claim the loot, and I don't know if you noticed, the loot's pretty good. The bonus loot, hey, wow. So don't cheat, because remember the penalty is twice this. Thank you very much.